Hey folks, Kevin here, lead developer here at Sienci Labs, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the parking feature inside of gSender. The first thing you're going to want to do is find the parking configuration. So you're going to go to the config section in gSender, go to the homing and limits subsection, and take a look for the park location here. You'll have two buttons. One you can go to the location, and one you can grab the current location and set it. As a test, we're going to right now grab the current location and save it by hitting apply settings in the bottom right. Now that we configured the park location, we can go to that location anytime we want on the main carve page inside of gSender by pressing the P in the top right corner. So you'll notice now if I press P, it's going to rapidly move to the location we configured in both X, Y, and Z. There's a number of possible use cases for this. You might have a set location for manual tool changes. You might have a set location to get the spindle out of the way. You might have a set location for a jig. And parking is really useful because if you have those repeatable locations, you can very quickly traverse to them inside of gSender with the click of a single button. That's it for today. Thank you all for your time, and I hope you enjoyed today's gSender tip.